Good evening, folks. CHMR Chief Meteorologist James Fuller here for your weather blast for Saturday, December 15th, 2018. We have a nice Sunday coming up for tomorrow. Unsettled weather for Monday night into Wednesday. We'll start off as some snow Monday night, then quickly change over to some rain and mild temperatures for Tuesday, and then we'll switch back to snow Tuesday night and into Wednesday as well. And then mild and cloudy Christmas as it looks right now. As we get closer and closer to Christmas, it does look like it's going to be dry and it will be mild. Alright, let's take a look now at the future cast that will take us out over the next 48 hours here. So this evening we're looking at those mostly cloudy skies. Any flurries will be offshore, but there's a chance of flurries overnight tonight, as we get that system bringing in some onshore winds. So 4:30 early in the morning is when we'll see the best chance of flurries, and those flurries will continue into the morning hours and even into near noon hour tomorrow. And then after that we'll just see lots of sunshine. High pressure right here is in control. This would dominate our weather and give us those northwest winds for tomorrow, as well as some mostly sunny skies. Here's our next system. Our next system's right here, and that will move very slowly. That's the system that's going to bring some moisture for Monday night into Wednesday. But until then, high pressure is in control. We are looking at dry weather Sunday night into Monday, and as you can see, that storm begins to arrive in Nova Scotia for early Monday. The high pressure is still in control, and we'll see just increasing clouds as we get into Monday. And as we get into Monday night, that's when we'll see the snow beginning in the Burin Peninsula of the south parts, and Port aux Basques and southern sections of the island. We'll see some flurries and some snow beginning, but that snow won't arrive until late Monday night into our region. And then, of course, we'll get into that mild side of the storm right here, and that's where we'll see the rain. Alright, let's take a look now at the forecast now, as we get into the future weather. And this is what it looks like so far. Lots of clouds right through the night tonight, but as we get into 4 a.m., that's when we'll see the best chance of flurries early tomorrow morning. Otherwise, just cloudy skies. I wouldn't also be surprised if we'll see some clear breaks in between any time from now through 6 a.m. As we get into tonight, cloudy skies through midnight, temperatures fairly mild for this time of year, between 2 and -1. And then as we get into the overnight hours, we'll see a chance of flurries and temperatures dipping down a little more to around -4, which is actually around seasonal for this time of year. So for tonight, cloudy skies, some flurries possible overnight and early morning hours. Northwest winds 40 to 70 km per hour, a low of -4. Tonight, those temperature trends looking like this. We are looking at those steady temperatures dropping down to -2 by the overnight hours, and then -4 as we wake up early in the morning. Otherwise, temperatures fairly around the freezing mark right through till midnight. Tomorrow, sun and clouds, a little cooler than today. Today we had temperatures of +3 and +4. Tomorrow we're going to be below freezing. Those northwest winds, 40 to 80 km per hour, is going to make it feel like it's -10 out there with the wind chill. So bundle up if you're heading out tomorrow. It will be a little chilly out there. And as we get into tomorrow, here we go, 9 a.m. Possibly seeing some flurries, otherwise -4. By noon, we're only at -3. We don't warm up that much tomorrow. Pretty cloudy skies by noon, and then by 3 o'clock, that's when we'll see more sunshine build in. Sun and clouds, temperatures of -1 by 3 o'clock, and by separate hour, looking at -2. Again, those breezy northwest winds at 40 km per hour. Tomorrow, temperatures looking like this, very slowly rising as we get through the afternoon. Temperatures are going to be mostly steady. We're not going to actually crack the freezing mark, I don't think. Tomorrow afternoon will stay right around the -1, -2 degree range for tomorrow afternoon and into tomorrow evening. Tomorrow night, clouds and very cold. Those temperatures will crash as those winds would become light, and we'll see more clouds breaking up. We'll see those mostly clear skies overnight, and that will allow for temperatures to dip down to -12 overnight tomorrow night. And temperatures look like this for the next 5 days. The average is 2 degrees. We'll be right around the freezing mark Sunday and Monday with temperatures around -1, -2. and then we'll quickly warm up on Tuesday and Wednesday ahead of our next system. Rain on Tuesday, snow on Wednesday, temperatures of 6 and 3, and then on Thursday we'll see temperatures slowly dipping down again, closer to freezing at 1 degree. 7-day forecast now. So Tuesday is wet and windy, 6 degrees. That changes to snow on Wednesday with temperatures of 3 degrees. Partly cloudy skies on Thursday and 1. Friday, sun and clouds and 1. And for Saturday, next weekend, cloudy skies and 3 degrees. And as we take a look at the sneak peek at the 10-day forecast, Sunday, Monday, and Tuesday also cloudy skies and much warmer with temperatures on Sunday at 7 degrees. Monday looking at 3 degrees for your Christmas Eve. Christmas Day looking at cloudy skies and a balmy 6 degrees. Here's a closer look at the Christmas Eve and Christmas Day forecast as of now. Cloudy skies on Christmas Eve, temperatures between 1 and 3 degrees. And as we take a look on Christmas Day, looking at cloudy skies as well, with temperatures of 0 to 6 degrees. That is your CHMR weather. I am CHMR Chief Meteorologist James Fog. Have a great weekend, and we'll see you here on Sunday.